Good evening, parents, and welcome to Back to School Night. We are so glad that you were able to make it out tonight to learn all about the different experiences your child has while here in our school. Today, you will have the opportunity to listen to presentations about the different subjects that your child's teacher teaches. At the end of the presentations, please take the time to stop by our Scholastic Book Fair to browse all of the wonderful books available for purchase. And now, I leave you with Ms. Yari Savaya with some important reminders.
Good evening, parents, and welcome to our back to school night. We've been in school for 6 weeks, and it's been a great 6 weeks. A few reminders: if you want to order the school lunch or the Friday pizza, please do so on a monthly basis. We send you plenty of emails to let you know when the portal is open. If you have any trouble ordering from the portal, please give us a call at the office and we'll walk you through it. Once the portal closes, we cannot take any more orders because we put in the orders for the catering on a monthly basis. So please understand that. But give us a call. We'll walk you through it if you can't, if you're not successful at putting the orders in. If you would like any of the new Friday Learning Links Pride t-shirts, go ahead and call the office or send an email to Saida with the size that you would like to order, and we'll go ahead and fulfill that order. We do have some in stock, but we order as demand comes in. So you can order your Friday t-shirts. It's okay to still wear the yellow ones if that's what you've got and they're in good shape. Now regarding carpool, it's been going pretty good so far, but we do have a couple of notations. Please do not arrive earlier than your carpool time. We've had situations of cars parked on 145th Avenue blocking the path, so other cars have to go around you, and it does cause a little bit of a traffic issue. So if you have a 3 o'clock carpool, don't arrive before 2:50 or so because you're going to be interfering with the previous carpool. So please ask. If you have any trouble in carpool, please give us a call at the office. We'll walk out right immediately and we'll address it. But like I said, it's been going pretty good. It's a quick process. So you're not, even if you get here a couple minutes late, 5 minutes, you'll be in line for a few minutes. Don't worry. If you have to pick up your kids early, please remember that we have a half-hour cutoff time. Give us a call at the office or just come to the door so you can sign them out. Like I said, the office is always open for any questions that you may have. We're here to help. Now I leave you with a little bit of a slideshow, giving you a little sneak peek of what we've been up to for the last 6 weeks.